My bike's due for a little bit of a clean down, and while I wipe it down I thought I'd just give you a quick review about this bike. I bought it from Go Outdoors in September last year, and it's called the Central, and it's part of their fold-up range, as you can see from the hinges. There are several reasons why I picked it. I did have an electric scooter, which I'll put a clip up there so you can see what I mean, and whilst it was great fun to ride, it wasn't very practical because it wasn't road legal. So I thought I better get something that's kind of road legal, and I found this to be brilliant, to be honest. It collapses. I'll show you how it collapses in a minute. I'm just giving it a quick wipe down just to get rid of some of the mud on it. One of the big selling points for this for me was the fact that it came with mud guards. I really detest having to buy separate mud guards on a bike. For me, I think every bike should come with lights, because you can't buy a car. A car isn't considered road legal without lights, neither is a motorbike. And yet the most vulnerable vehicle on the road, one of these things, is considered to be road legal without lights, and I think that's ridiculous. Anyway, I also begrudge paying for separate things like mud guards, which, to my way of thinking, they're kind of essential. They help protect you and your clothing. Whilst they're not a safety item per se, they do protect your clothing from weather and wear and tear and so on, in the same way that car doors do, and in the same way that mud guards on a motorbike do. So why a push bike should be any different, to be honest with you, it's utterly beyond me. Anyway, love this little thing. One of the big selling points for me was it's really light. And when I say really light, I've had another folder from Go Outdoors before, and it weighed about 25 kilos. This weighs 13. It's just a... Sorry for the background noise traffic if there is any. It weighs about 13 kilos, which is really light, so it's really quite portable. Other key selling point for me, it has an adjustable handlebar height, which many of these don't. And so it's nice to be able to set the handlebars at a height that works for you. The fold-up mechanism is simple. There's a locking mechanism on the clasp, and then that just drops to the back. So that folds really easily. Another nice little selling point is the stand. There's a clasp here that locks the side lock in place. It's a bit stiff because I haven't actually used it that much in terms of the locking mechanism. So it just folds up nice and neatly. The thing that's been naff on this, if you've seen my other video that I've done recently about changing the pedals, that was on this bike. Pedals that came with it, the bearings went. And I've only had this since September and it's April now. So 7 months and the pedals have gone. So I have replaced them with these that aren't foldable, unlike the ones that came with it, but they are a bit smaller. And they're nice, they work really well. It's got a Shimano gear setup, 7-speed, and with a handle grip gear change. Brakes work fine. All in all, it's just a brilliant little commuting bike. And during this lockdown, to be honest with you, it's been a bit of a godsend, because whilst I've been able to go out for my daily exercise and walk, I've been able to alternate one day going out for a walk, next day going out on the bike. It's been fabulous. It's spot on, absolutely spot on. The only thing I do differently to what maybe some people do is I do keep this wire thing around here. Now I know these are easy to cut through. This isn't a lock for the bike itself. The bike itself, I have a big chain lock which locks nicely through the framework here. What this is for is to save me having to remove the saddle all the time, because the saddle is on a quick release catch here, so it's easy to steal. So I do lock the saddle into the chain lock, and then this little D-lock here, the front wheel is a quick release, so I also lock the front wheel up too. It is a fabulous little bike. It cost me about 250 quid, yet I totally recommend this. It's just a great little bike for knocking about on. I've been doing about 8 miles during my daily exercise, 8 to 10 miles a day, and it's handled that brilliant. Worth buying. Okay, hope that was okay for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you please share this and let other people know what a great little bike this is. Catch you soon. Bye.